The real reason high earning women can't take their foot off the gas. You want to take your foot off the gas. You've said it. You've probably even thought about it, maybe made some sort of a plan around it. But here's the thing, you can't. Not really. Because the moment you stop, the money stops for you. If you're on the income train, when you stop, the money stops. And that's not a motivation problem. It's not a mindset problem. It's a structure problem. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I talk to high earning women every single day and they're exhausted. Not because they don't love what they do, but because they've no choice but to keep going. And the real reason is this. They've built income, they haven't built assets. Income needs you, assets don't. Income needs you, assets don't. When everything you have is tied to your ability to show up, to sell, and to deliver, you're not free. You're just well paid. And there's a massive difference between the two. So let's talk about like from earning money to your money supporting you. Because right now, you are supporting your money, your time, your energy, your presence. That's what keeps everything running. And the moment you pull back, it slows everything down for you. What I want for you is the opposite. Your money supporting your life, your time, your choices, and your freedom. That's the shift from income dependent freedom to asset funded freedom. That will change everything for you. Because when you have assets working for you, investments generating returns, producing an income, you stop being the engine. You become the architect of your life. You get to decide how you spend your time, not just how you spend your money. And here's our most precious resource, time. We can always make more money. We cannot get today back. Okay? That's what real freedom looks like. Not a higher income goal, but if you want to go for that, absolutely do. But entirely different relationship with money. My next point. Business is keeping your freedom far away. Like, this is the uncomfortable truth. Here's what I see happening to so many high earners. Life is full, the calendar's packed, the business is growing, and wealth building keeps getting pushed to the back burner. Not because it doesn't matter, but because there's always something more urgent demanding your attention right now. Busyness feels productive, it feels like progress, but if it's keeping you from building the financial foundations that would eventually let you step back, it's actually keeping your freedom further away, not bringing you closer. Every month that passes without a plan is a month your money isn't compounding and working for you. A month you aren't moving forward, the life where work becomes a choice, not a necessity. Busy is not the same as building, and until the distinction becomes real for you, the treadmill doesn't stop. Knowing exactly what to invest in and why is another really important piece. The missing piece for most high earners isn't desire, it's clarity. They want to invest, they know they should invest, but they don't know exactly what to invest in, why, and the specific thing that is right for them, or how to make it actually happen. And so they do nothing. They hand it over to someone else. No one will take care of your money, by the way, better than you do. And neither of those moves build the freedom that you're looking for. What changes everything is knowing your specific financial freedom number, as in your net worth number, knowing exactly where your money needs to go and why. It's all about growing and keeping money. Knowing how to build a portfolio that produces income, whether you work or not. It's not complicated, but it does need to be learned. And when it clicks, when you can actually see your money producing income, not dependent on your time, that's when the foot can finally start to come off the gas. Um, when Helen came to me after family bereavement, someone close to her passed away and there was nothing in place. No plan, no security, no safety net, just a sudden sharp realization of how quickly everything can change. And Helen looked at her own life and saw the same picture, earning well, really well, but the money was flowing out as fast as was coming in. Wealth building permanently being put on the back burner, always the thing she'd sort out one day when life got a bit quieter. That was her wake up call. She saw someone else's story, but Helen made a turning point. She stopped the financial bleeding, got her money organized and redirected, got her investments in place, and this time she understood exactly what she was investing in and why, is well on her way to financial freedom. And for the first time, Helen had the feeling that if something happened, she would be okay. Her family would be okay. Her freedom had the foundation, and that's what this work actually gives you. Where people go wrong is the most common thing I see is women waiting for the right moment to sort this, waiting for the income to be higher until the debt is cleared, until things feel a bit more settled, until the business busyness goes away, isn't quite as demanding. But here's what actually happens. The income goes up, so does the expenses. The debt clears and something else comes up. Let me know if you've experienced that. Business gets busier, life never quite settles enough to make the plan. And all the while, time is doing something very specific. Every month your money sits idle is a month of compounding you don't get back because there's three factors affect your ability to create the wealth. The amount of money you're putting towards it, how hard that money's working for you, and time. And you want all those three factors working for you so that you're building the wealth. That's not dramatic. That is just maths. And it's quietly costs far more than most people ever stop to calculate. Um, if this has landed with you today, if you're ready to make the shift from income dependent to asset funded, I want you to come and spend 3 days with me. Wealth Beyond Income. It's a free live experience starting this Monday, the 23rd of March. Over 3 days, we're going to cover exactly how to actually start investing with clarity on exactly what and why, how to build your personal financial freedom plan around the life you want, how to go from income dependent to asset focused. It's free, it's live, and it will be the thing that will change your life with money because your money's working for you now for good. If you do not act on this, and if now isn't the right time, that's completely up to you. But the treadmill keeps running. The income keeps coming in and expenses keep pacing up. And another year passes without the foundations in place. You've worked too hard for too long to still be one bad month away from pressure. So drop the word wealth below this video in the comments right now, and I'll send you the link to register for Wealth Beyond Income. It starts this Monday, 23rd. I'd love to see you there.